What is going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We're out here in my backyard right now. And as you saw from the title of today's video, I've been prepping for this for months and you can probably see them in the back. Today is the day we're gonna finally install all of the carbon fiber that we've been collecting for the Nissan 350z Rev Up. And I cannot wait to show you what we've got. All right, check it out. Full carbon dash, full carbon doors. Well, the inside door cards at least. So you have the center console piece with the 3 gauge pods and the opening door right here. This is the door cover. There's some fingerprints on it. I'm gonna clean that. And we even get this carbon, look at this. Look at the details here. Carbon button for the door. It's gonna fit right in there like that. That goes right in here. And then this goes on top of this. This has got the AC controls, the hazard button, and the manual. I cannot wait to put this in. It's gonna look so cool. And then the doors. This was like a last minute decision I made about 3 or 4 months ago. I actually found these on OfferUp and I got a steal because they're not 100% brand new. As you can tell, there's someone tried to drill these holes into the door to let the sound come through from the speaker because it's blocked. And I don't really know if that was a good idea. And then we got these 2 little cracks right here, which aren't too bad. The craziest thing about these doors is they come with these, I mean, this is pretty jank, but it's real. Like, it's real carbon, custom made. Now, does any of this work? That's the real question. Hopefully we can still use this. So honestly, the regular door handles do not fit in this square. So if this piece doesn't work, I don't know if we'll be able to use the carbon door. So we'll figure it out. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, hopefully we can get it rewired or something. But all the pins look fine in that. So that definitely looks like someone tried to... I don't know the story, to be honest with you. I cannot wait to see what it looks like inside the car and all installed. We're gonna put that on, this, and we're gonna hopefully install these if everything goes well. I feel like when people sell things like this for super cheap, it's because they didn't fit or something. And carbon fiber, you know, it's pretty picky. So, all right, let's go see if it fits. All right, here we are. We got the Rev Up 350Z in its glorious red paint, but check it out. As you can see over here, we're installing the carbon fiber dashboard in the 350Z. This is just so cool. As you saw in our recent videos, we put the screen in finally, and we have it connected, routed through here into this glove box, the mini PC, so we can play Minecraft on our screen, which is so cool. All right, so while this dump truck is here, I'm gonna clean this entire thing. I have 91% rubbing alcohol, so that'll be perfect to get all the grime and nastiness off of this center dashboard. So when we put the carbon fiber overlays on top, they stick as well as they can because we don't want them lifting up at all. And I put a bunch of sticky stuff on the back of them, so hopefully they don't. But this dashboard does get kind of hot, so I want it just as clean as possible so it gets the best connection. All right, so I just wiped down the entire dashboard. It's all clean, but I wanted to show you this really quick. So this is the official Evo-R kit, and there's a lot of people online that say there are some fitment issues with this. People have had experiences with them cracking and stuff, so I actually went and sanded the back of this. I honestly wasn't able to take off very much, so there were these L pieces on the edges right here, and I cut them off with the Dremel.
Flashback.
If I push this forward, it's gonna crack this off and crack this right here. This little piece right here is supposed to fit into this. It just won't go on there, it's just too tight. So I think I'm gonna cut it just right along here, and hopefully that'll solve some of the issues with it fitting too tightly. We'll see what happens.
End of flashback.
I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to get it to fit the best I can. My goal here today is to not crack this piece because this is the piece in question. This piece actually fits pretty well. I have all the sticky stuff on the back, and then as you can tell, we got the cover for the cubby, and then we also have a carbon button, which is so cool. So, all right, so here we are with the dash. I'm gonna put this on here just so you can get an idea of how it fits. So you can see this thin piece goes across right here in the middle. These side pieces fit. You can tell it's a pretty solid fit, honestly. It's a little off right down like in here, like the lines. We're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna try and line it up the best I can, honestly, and see how well we can get it to fit pretty much. So another thing I actually had to modify that I forgot to tell you guys is this piece right here. When I put this on, I realized that on the sides of the carbon, there was no cutout for this little piece that allows you to control where the air blows up and down. So I actually went in with sandpaper and I sanded the inside of this way. So I actually cut it a little bit this side as well, because this side was actually the one that was hitting a lot. But now you can move it up and down. It doesn't hit, which is nice. But you can see how right there it was hitting. So just one piece of modification that is definitely necessary. Let's try and get this off of here. Honestly, I'm kind of scared, but there's no time like the present, you know. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. This is all clean. We've got it all wiped to the best of our abilities. It's gonna take me some time to get these off. 1 second. All right, so I've peeled back all the corners of these red pieces of tape. I'm nervous and excited at the same time. Oh gosh, it's happening. It's happening. That's it. Tape is off. I'm gonna line it up with that center piece of plastic right there. Press it down. Apply all the pressure up here. Press down. All right, that's on there. Oh, and then as it sits on there, it's just gonna get more and more stuck to it. But oh, it already looks so much better hiding all those pieces. All right, now let's do this center piece. It's gonna go right here. Oh, it looks so cool. It's pretty dusty, but we'll clean it all when we're done. All right, here we go. No pressure. This is just a one-time dealio here. Oh man, oh no. Oh no. Dang it. I mean, we'll take that. Shoot, I mean, that looks so good. Oh man, once the window thing is gone, it's gonna shine in here so bright. 1 sec, let me take this last piece off. Wipe the button piece here in the middle, make sure it's clean. Boom. All right, the final piece. Oh, it's super sticky. Press that down on there. All right, so the top piece is on. Man, I'm not gonna lie, it's looking really, really cool. Last but not least, let's get that other piece in here. Oh man. All right, so now time for the shifter part. And honestly, let me show you really quick. As you can tell, as I slide it on here, there's some resistance and you can see that the hazard button doesn't line up perfectly. As you push it harder and harder, it does get closer to that spot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the sticky stuff off and then I'm gonna press it down as hard as I can. But honestly, look how that looks though. Just mocked up like that. Oh my God. Honestly, when I bought this car, I had no idea that I could not have imagined that all of this was in store. And that's the coolest thing about owning a project car like this is you can just make it your own. You could just do whatever you want. Carbon dash, Minecraft in the center console, anything. You can paint it whatever color you want. Just so cool. Just so cool. All right, I'm gonna take all this stuff off. 1 second. Okay, let's do it. This looks like it's about as good as it's gonna get right there. Pressing it down. The hazard button can still be hit. None of the gears are blocked. There it is. Oh my gosh. Full carbon dash. 1 sec, you already know what we gotta do. We gotta take this down. Full carbon fiber dashboard has been installed now. So now our POV videos are gonna look pretty awesome because we can look at this carbon fiber in the car. Oh my God. Wow. I mean, the POV videos are gonna look so awesome now. All right, on to the doors. All right, got the carbon fiber door here, swapped it for that one. I mean, they're basically the exact same. What I need to do here is these don't have any clips on them. And then this door, I'm gonna steal the clips off of this, put them on my door here. That one's broken, that one doesn't have any. Wow, these two have some. All right, let's go try and put it on. I'm nervous and excited all at the same time. Okay, so what we need to do, I need to plug this in. One. Looks like it lines up pretty well. I'm trying to see that into there. It's hard to line up.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Here we are. I cannot believe, but all of the carbon fiber has been installed. Look at this. We got the doors, both doors are on, and the center console. I can't wait to show you guys a little bit more details, but I had to get a little walk around because I just feel like I haven't driven this car in seriously a month because I've been trying to get the carbon fiber figured out. We've been trying to get the Blue Z figured out, and honestly, this car has straight up been neglected. So here we are, driving it once again. And this car it makes me so happy. We've just been through so much together, I'm not gonna lie. So let's go for a cruise. Look at this. Look at this. Everything. I don't know, look at my reflection. It's a little dusty here, but I wiped it. But look at, you can see my reflection in here. Even all this button stuff is carbon, and it's all custom made. Like, it's not the best cut ever, but it's all custom. Unlock and lock buttons work. Just makes me so stoked. Even on the inside, AC tube, like the whole thing, it just works so perfectly with the inside of the car. It complements the center dash piece so well. So let's go cruise around for a little bit. I have to show you the driver's side. Look at this. Look at this. And then, as you know, we have a little bit of drill holes right here, but man, this carbon is absolutely nuts. I mean, I know what I'll be looking at every single day when I'm in the car now. So, and this is just one step towards winning an interior award at a car show or something. I think we got to do seats next, absolutely, but I've already been thinking of some cool ones. But man, I'm just so stoked everything works. Like, these work perfectly. All the switches and everything work. Just so insane. I found them on OfferUp. Like, I've never even seen these for sale before. So let's go for a cruise. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna get used to that carbon, you guys, honestly. Reflective, reflective, reflective. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, let's go check it out in the sun, because I already know it's gonna look so sick in the sun. All right, we're off. I feel like I have not done a POV drive in the red car in just way too long, you guys, way too long. And this is where it all started, to be honest with you. So I feel like we're definitely overdue. But look at this carbon. Oh my God, every time I look down on both sides, my mind is just, may or may not blow this guy's doors off right now. No, it's not gonna turn, oh, it's turning green. It's happening. Dang, this road's gonna go all the way out that way. That's actually pretty crazy. I love like back roads like that. I mean, these roads are pretty straight around here. It's kind of like a grid, but honestly, any back roads are fun roads, to be honest with you. So, okay, sending it once more. Oh my God, look at this, the carbon, oh my, oh, the whole door. Traffic in both directions. I think we're going left. I think we're going left. Second gear roll. I mean, the rev up. I haven't driven the rev up in a while. I've just been driving the HR, so I'm kind of used to the HR, and I mean, this car is this is no slug. Jesus. Nah, she rips. You guys, I have so much carbon fiber in my hands. Let's roll these up a little bit. I was working with no gloves. Just a terrible idea. Stay green. Stay green. Yes. No, we're gonna miss it. And we're gonna be stuck behind that guy. Dang, that's okay, that's okay, that's okay. Let's turn right. Oh, this carbon, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I have a few micro scratches on here. I don't know if you could see, but, and some fingerprints, of course. I need to get my Meguiar's polish out. Tiny micro scratches just from the previous guy that owned it, from like watches and rings and stuff. But honestly, it's clear coat. All of that can be buffed out on both sides. I kind of like having carbon, regular, carbon, regular, carbon. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's a good balance of stock and carbon. Between the PC, the screen, the carbon dash, and the carbon doors, I feel like really all we need next is like, I have some seats in my mind that I want to buy. I feel like seats is next, but honestly, the OEM seats in the 350z are so comfortable. I really don't know. Let me know what you think. Honestly, thank you so much for tuning in today. I know it took me so long to get this video out, but I just wanted it all in one video, just so I would also just do it, you know what I mean? So I seriously appreciate you for being patient with me, and I hope it was worth it. Like, it looks really, really cool. I'm gonna be at NISFest on Sunday, so if you're watching this, there are still tickets. Come on through. It's like 30 bucks for admission, but I'm telling you, Burnout Box, they're doing drifting, ride-alongs, one of the best Nissan car shows in the US. I highly would recommend, if you have time, head over to Irwindale Speedway. It's not gonna disappoint, I promise. So I will see you there if you're headed over there. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. It means so much to me that you watch these videos. And I will see you in the next one for the next update on the HR. Plus, we have videos coming with the Miata. I've been neglecting that thing as well. So anyways, more to come in the future. Hit the subscribe button, drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.